Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Device powered within 10 meters and in pairing mode. Open Action Center or press Win plus I then device is Bluetooth. Turn Bluetooth on. This is the essential first step. Without it, Windows cannot detect anything. Once done, make sure the peripheral shows a blinking indicator for discoverability. If Windows prompts, click Add Bluetooth or Other Device and choose Bluetooth. This starts the system scan and prepares Windows to list available devices for pairing. After the scan finds your gadget, select it and choose Pair. Accept any displayed PIN to complete the software handshake. If the device isn't listed, run Windows Bluetooth Troubleshooter from Settings Update and Security Troubleshoot and toggle airplane mode off then on to reset radios. Make sure drivers are current. Open Device Manager, expand Bluetooth, right-click your adapter, and update driver or uninstall, then restart to force reinstallation. These steps fix most pairing and drive-related connection failures. Once paired, confirm the connection works by checking sound settings for audio devices or the target app's Bluetooth menu. Switch profiles if necessary. If problems persist, restart both PC and peripheral to clear transient faults. Also verify in Device Manager Properties Power Management that Windows may not be allowed to turn off the adapter. If you still fail to connect, try another USB Bluetooth dongle or roll back to a recent restore point. This often resolves stubborn driver regressions and firmware incompatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.